Hey, what's going on, guys? In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to replace your air filter in your Toyota with a 5VZ-FE engine. Alright, so what you do first is you open these latches here. This comes open, you take out your old filter, just like that. Next you get your new filter, but before you pop in the filter, a very important step: grab yourself a vacuum, like a shop vac, and vacuum out any dirt or debris that's in there, so it doesn't go into your filter later. Alright? Like that. Once you do that, stick it back in, like that, and clip it down. I'll have this is a Bosch filter. It's not an OEM Toyota, but it was a little bit cheaper than the OEM. So what I'm going to use, I'll have a link below in the description on where I got it. You can go check it out for yourself. I want to thank y'all for watching. Please thumbs up and subscribe if this helped out. Peace out.